Hey everyone, Technometric here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the passcode from alphanumeric to just a numeric code. So if you're looking at this one, I have set a alphanumeric one where it's letters and numbers and characters to unlock the phone, which sometimes, as you can see here, could be quite of an issue trying to unlock your phone. So how do you go ahead and change it to just numbers? What's going to be really simple. First thing is you're going to go into your setting on your iPhone. From there on, just scroll down to the section that says Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. And then you're going to want to click on that and you're going to have to enter the passcode again. So here I just have a generic one set just to show you the example. And once you're on there, you're going to see this page with the menu option here. And all you're going to do is change passcode. So once you click on Change Passcode, it's going to prompt you for your current passcode, which is going to be the alphanumeric one that you probably have set. So if you want to change it to just numeric, where it says password option now, before you set a new passcode, change it to either a 4-digit or a 6-digit one, or even a custom, just a numeric one. Usually if you want to keep it to the original 4-digit, you can do that, or you can do the 6-digit as one. Again, both of the options are available for you. Now I'm going to set one just as example. Make sure yours is much more complicated than what I'm typing in. I'm just showing you this as example. And then from there on, it's going to want you to go ahead and link it with your Apple ID. If you want to ever need to reset it, if you forget it, you don't have to do that. It all depends on you. But now if I lock it, to show you an example, right, it's went back to a numeric code instead of that alphanumeric, and makes it easier, less secure. But of course, that's an option that you have if you do choose to go to alphanumeric to numeric passcode. And I hope this video was helpful. So please do consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.